Hey, let's play Rubik. As you all can see that here we have the blue color. Let's see if I can make this blue color within few minutes. So friends, here we go. As you can see that I have made this blue color within few minutes. So many of the people are going to think that maybe it's an intelligent thing or I am an intelligent person, I am a born intelligent. But the answer is no, it is a skill. And today in this video I will be telling you that how you can also take your fitness as a skill in this video. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as 6-week weight loss challenge, through which you will lose your weight step by step along with the home based or gym based workouts and a diet. Friends, I still remember that when I used to be a kid, on that time I used to play this Rubik game along with my brother. He was, you can say, he learned this skill before me. So that's why I took this as a challenge. And because of that thing, because of that challenge, I was able to achieve this skill in this way that even if I try this skill or even if I try to make any of the color, if you give me a challenge, I can make within minutes. But before, at the time of the starting, I was very much I used to take this as a I was very much curious about this thing, and I took this as a challenge, a positive challenge, and it gave me a kind of a happiness. In the meantime, I have also learned the skill that how I can make all the color of the Rubik in one go after watching a movie of Amir Khan. But unfortunately, I have not practiced it. I was not that much serious about it. I learned that skill, I tried it, I achieved it, but I failed. Right now I don't remember that how to make all the colors in one go. So friends, this is how our fitness is also something like this. Many of the time we are able to achieve our fitness, many of the time we are not able to achieve our fitness, but it is a skill or it is a learnable skill which a person must learn in his or her life. If you are not able to do that thing, then it will impact you after your 40s or in the meantime of your 40s also. And 40s is just your half life. Friends, there are many skills like the digital marketing, like the leadership, public speaking, mountaineering, swimming. These all are the skill. In this way, fitness is also a skill. Many of the people, many celebrities, many of the successful people, they know that what is the skill. And what we think, what we believe that there is some kind of a superfood which will help us out. What we think that there is some kind of a magic will help us out. What we think that if we are going to eat less, then only we are going to become fit. But we are wrong. We need to learn this skill from a coach, that how to do dieting and how to do workouts in your life, because every time your fitness cannot be of without workouts. So if you believe that only with the help of a diet you can lose your weight, but you cannot achieve your dream physique, you have to have some kind of a exercise and workouts in your life. So friends, learn this art, spend some time. So today I would like to tell you that there are 3 things which a person must do. So first of all, you need to learn the skill of your dieting. Don't do any crash diets, don't do any yo-yo diets, don't do any intermittent fasting, don't do any keto diet if you don't have any idea that how to do all the things. The second thing which I would like to tell to you, that learn the skill of the workouts. Gym and any of the workstation of the workouts, there we get the tools to do the workout, but how to utilize that tool is again an art. There are so many workout composition like the HIIT workout, like the Tabata workouts, like the linear periodization workout. There are how to lift your weight, what is the position, what is the portion, and how to do the weight loss exercises. So these all are the skills. So if you're going to think that only by joining a gym and still you are just your sweat is just coming out and but you are not losing your weight, then there must be something which you need to do right now, and you need to know this thing, that fitness is also a skill, and you need a coach and mentor which will advise you that how you need to do step by step. The third thing, that any fitness regime cannot be accomplished without the mindset, or without the knowledge of the spirituality, and without the knowledge of the meditation. Because once you have the right mindset, then the fitness will is the automatic part of this thing. And if you don't have the right mindset, then your fitness is worthless. So friends, learn these three arts in your life and find a peaceful day. Be happy, be a great leader, be a rich person in your life after achieving all these things, and you will see a tremendous changes in your life. Friends, if you want to know about the 6 week, and usually what I do with my client, that usually I give them a system through which they can design their plate as per their body requirement, and they usually make all their diets on their own. I introduce them with the workouts like the linear periodization, HIIT, Tabata, to lose their weight, and within 6 weeks they all learn this thing within a short era of time. So friends, if anything is connected with you, then I have given you an appointment link. Feel free to click on the link and make an appointment with me. And also you can download my ebook. The link I am giving you in the description. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now. And I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason.